Today, we'll be diving into a popular coding problem, finding the median of two sorted arrays. This is number 4 on the LeetCode problems. We'll explore a Java solution and provide a detailed explanation of the code. Today, we'll be tackling the problem of finding the median of two sorted arrays using a Java solution. We'll walk through the code step by step, explaining each line and its purpose. Now, before we take a look at the code segment, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out the way, let's hop right into it. In this Java solution, a class is given named solution with a method find median sorted arrays that takes two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, representing the two sorted arrays. The method returns the median as a double. We start by obtaining the lengths of the input arrays n1 and n2 using the length property. We calculate the total length of the merged array by adding n1 and n2 and create a new array called nums with a calculated length. We initialize the variables k, I, and j to track the indices of the merged array and the two input arrays respectively. Inside the while loop, we merge the two arrays inside the nums array. We compare the elements at nums1i and nums2j and add the two smaller elements to nums, incrementing the respective indices. After merging, we add any remaining elements from either array to the nums array using system.arrayCopy. If there are remaining elements in nums1, we copy them from index I to index k in nums. If there are remaining elements in nums2, we copy them from index j to index k in nums. Finally, we calculate the median based on the length of the nums. If the total number of elements is odd, we return the element at the middle index, n divided by 2. If the total number of elements is even, we return the average of the two middle elements by adding them and dividing their sum by 2.0. Alright, so let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.